Hi, I'm Mukaula and I'm going to deal with activities in Moodle. Activities in Moodle are tools in Moodle in which learners can interact with the content. There is a number of activities in this module, but I'm going to deal with a few which come with a standard model. Assignment activity. Okay, in all activities, if you click it once, you'll see what it means. Right, let's start with assignment activity. It enables teachers to communicate tasks, collect work, and provide grades and feedback to learners. A student can submit any digital content. The big blue button. In the big blue button, teacher can create a link to real-time online classroom from within Moodle. Chat. Through chat, participants can have text-based, real-time, synchronous discussion. Choice. In choice, the teacher can ask a single question and have a number of possible responses. Results may be published immediately after the learner have submitted, after a certain date, or may not be published at all. When published, the names of the learners can appear, or they can be left out. Database. Database is where participant creates, maintain, and search for entries. External tools. External tools which allow learners to interact with learning resources or activities on other websites. Feedback. Feedback is where the teacher can create a survey to collect feedback from learners using a variety of question types. Forum. Forum allow learners to have an asynchronous discussion over an extended period. Glossary. Glossary is in which participants can create and maintain a list of definitions or a collection of resources or information. Lesson. Lesson is where a teacher can create activities that offer a variety of pathways for learners. Quiz. Quiz allow teacher to create questions of variety types. Survey. Survey is where a teacher gathers data from learners which he can use to reflect on his or her teaching. Workshop. Workshop allow collection, review, and peer assessment of learners' work. To deal with the activity, you first turn the editing on. And once it's turned on, then at the Add an activity, you click on Add an activity or resources, which takes you to an activity chooser. I'm going to deal with the assignment, which represent the other activities. It's either you click once on the activity, and then it will explain what that activity can do, or what that activity do here. Or you can click twice, which takes you to this window where you have to type the name of the activity and then describe your activity. If you want the description to appear to learners, then you can click below to show that it will appear. If additional documents are needed, they can be downloaded. There are some additional things that can be done, like availability for submission date and due date, and to remind you when to start grading, the submission type, and others. If you are through doing that, then click on save and return to the course. Thank you for listening.